This is Little Thing 89 Garage. Um, some of you that have came from TikTok have seen that I have on there Little Thing 89. This behind me, that's my S10. It's a convertible. Um, its name's Little Thing. Some backstory on it is I got it from my aunt back when I was 18 in high school. I had always saw it in my grandpa's pole barn, and I had to have it. It only had, I believe, 54,000 miles on it at the time. It had a 2.5 liter 5-speed in it. I had a roll cage put in it. No, I did not do it myself. I did not trust myself with it yet because I was not that familiar with fabricating up a roll cage. Could I have done it? Probably, but it would have taken me a lot longer. We were in a rush to get to a drag racing event, but that didn't turn out anyway, so I guess we could have taken some time. But my friend Todd Ligon, he did the roll cage on it. Turned out amazing. Little Thing, it's a 339 cubic inch small block backed by a turbo 350 manual valve body with a Ford 9-inch in the rear. I did all the fabricating for the frame rails in the back to make the tires fit for the rear, because I bought another S10 that had this Ford 9-inch in it because I was on a budget, and I figured that it would be a better option than going and buying one that was meant for it. But it does have ladder bars on it now, which is a positive and could be a negative, but so far it's positive with the setup that's currently in. What you'll see on this channel is going to be working on Little Thing, racing with Little Thing, working on engines. I've got a 400 and a 5.3. The 400 I plan on building for Little Thing, and the name Little Thing, it came up. Me and my buddy were sitting in my parents' house at the time, and I didn't have a name for it. So we're thinking. And he goes, "It's just a little thing." And I'm like, "That's your name. That's the name right there." But I had to put a little twang on it, so I wanted a Little Thing. So in 89, it's a 1989 Chevy S10 single cab short box. It has small tires on it right now, radials. If I can get a set of slicks to work for it, that would be great, because that's what I plan on doing, is racing it, and I feel like it would hook up a little bit more on the streets. Plan on doing maybe a little bit of street racing this next year or this year. Little background on me: I'm a welder fabricator for 4 years on the job, 5 years in total of schooling. I just work in industrial structural. The plan for this engine actually used to be my dad's engine. It was a 327. I have it bored over and some goodies inside of it. It's all naturally aspirated. Plan for the engine is to, once the 400's done, put it in my daily driver. That would be great. I want to It's just a 350. It's also a 1989, but it's a half-ton single cab long box. I'd like to put it in there with a stick shift manual transmission behind it. That's pretty much it. Thank you. Leave a comment down below on what you may like to see on this channel. More of the wrenching side, more the racing side. Obviously, I'm from Michigan, so I can't go out and race right now. It's winter time. That's it. Thank you. Leave a comment down below, like the video, subscribe. Thank you.